Your roof is one of the most essential parts of your home, protecting your family and belongings from Ohio's unpredictable weather year-round. If you live in Grove City, Ohio, a roof replacement can save you stress, money, and headaches down the road. At BCS Roofing and Solar, we're here to guide you through the process. Let's talk about 3 important facts you should know about roof replacement. Fact 1. A roof replacement protects your home's long-term value. A roof isn't just about looks, it plays a critical role in keeping your home safe. A worn or damaged roof can lead to leaks, water intrusion, and even structural damage. Replacing it when needed ensures your home stays secure, efficient, and attractive for years to come. Fact 2, the cost to replace a roof varies. Factors like the size of your home, the slope of your roof, and the type of materials you choose all affect the final price. Asphalt shingles remain a popular and cost-effective choice with superior durability and longevity. We use tried and true brands like GAF, so you know you're getting affordability and quality in one. A professional roof replacement company like BCS Roofing and Solar can give you a clear, personalized estimate so you can make the best decision for your budget. Fact 3, professional roof replacement services provide peace of mind. At BCS Roofing and Solar, we combine skilled craftsmanship, high-quality materials, and strong warranties to ensure your home is well protected against Ohio's harshest weather. With expert care and reliable service, you can trust that your investment will last. Ready to protect your home and improve its value? Trust BCS Roofing and Solar for expert roof replacement in Franklin County, Ohio. Reach out today to get started.